Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this officially website. After that, this is search icon. When you click to search icon, it will start downloading and hit enter. AORUS RTX 2060 Xtreme 6G. After that, search your graphic card on this website. Then click on the product. Now you can see 1.0 and 2.0 same model number. So both graphic card driver installations process same. Select any which is you using and just click on it. And then click on the support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 7, 11. So all the operating system installations process same. So this is your driver. You can see only one driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see this is download box, so it will take some time and depend about your internet. If your internet very good, so it will down for 2 to 5 minutes and it will complete it download. And then click on three dot which is corner and then click on download. This is download icon. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.